fucked.
Yeah, that's not good. Forgot about that.
Dude, that's a little stuck in the grass.
Just a drag and dry shaft, a dragon.
Oh yeah, we better tie that up. Oh, it's gonna spin over.
Oh yeah, you better take it out.
Yeah, shit, we're in the middle of the road.
I am a creeper.
No, he meant the other kind.
That'll do.
You getting down under?
If a car comes, tell him to fuck off.
I hope you sprayed your shoes before this. Yeezys.
Damn, man, where you get this first kiss?
Buried mine.
Just down there.
Fuck me.
What?
Or she just
Somebody
like
wants to go meet up now. I can't get by. Gary, it's okay if I try and make it through the grass patch?
What are you doing?
Try to get by.
Oh, no problem.
trying to make a living. He's just trying to get by.
I didn't think he was actually going around.
I didn't think so either.
You going?
Pull ahead a bit. All right, now go. Hell yeah, brother. It sounds pretty funny. I never heard it with the exhaust off it. How are you? If I ever meet him, I'm gonna ask him what he was talking about. Must have been too long in Margaritaville.
Yeah. Jimmy Buffett.
Okay, I'm tied.
Are we putting the motor in the back of your truck?
Well, I was thinking about we were gonna leave it.
Maybe not, because I don't think we're pushing this thing back up there to put the motor in it. I hope not.
Okay, well, I might need a cutter.
We got a lot here.
Oh,
Well, I can double it up if you just wrap it around your cab mountain.
what's that unit?
But we got a lot
Oh
of
yeah,
it.
Alberta.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You want me to
cut it at some point?
cut it? Cut it. Cut it. Thank you.
Okay.
A lot of enthusiasm in that cut. Yeah. What are we doing here, Shane?
Tabernacle. Hey, what are we doing here? Yeah.
Very informative.
What did you just fucking do? Puts the tailgate down, slams and just fucks my good tailgate. Look at her, my good tailgate. This is my good bumper. With all my good shit in the back.
It was a little rough.
Wow, I couldn't take the abuse. Fuck. I just put her over the edge.
Don't be slamming your tailgate through.
Holy fuck.
What are you doing?
Hey, look.
Why? For what?
Robert, why don't you just put her back up?
Yeah.
Just leave her up.
Why you put it down?
Don't. Would you put it down? Would you put it down for?
Puts it down, tries to.
Friggin' Ford, pulling the old Dodge. Oh, it's a pretty sad sight. Oh well. Wonder how bad this beat up. Well, Might still work.
Does it ever feel weird going backwards this fast? Holy shit. Looking over my head.
I seen that car and I took that corner.
You got into the swaying pretty good.
Yeah, we did.
This thing rolls like shit. Well, no, it's because all the weight's right here.
Nice.
Yeah, still for a 1 ton?
Yeah, this thing
Well,
pulls
no, it's
bad.
because all the weight is right here. It has 0 tongue weight. That's why it's swaying.
That's why I was swinging. The drive shaft dropped out of it. Thanks, boys.
Well, didn't you try taking the drive shaft out, Ben? You should have tried that in the first place.
Yeah.
Look at the squad on her. It's a good load for the old Dodge. Got all our shit over here. So that's gonna go in there. And you can just throw everything back here. Is that hot or what, man?
Holy jump.
Yeah. I do, actually.
Turbo removal.
Ben, just yank her like you yank your wiener.
Burn her like I burnt my friggin' mistake.
Need a little bit of nitrous to fucking get her going, but we were getting this one back together here. Finally, found top dead center.
Are you getting a new transfilter change?
Yeah.
Where's that?
No, that's fine.
It's like corkboard. You got to. Surgery. Dr. Lordo. Majored in fuckery. You can't use any of this footage on fucking YouTube. Just think of that. New radio bill. Can't put the radio on YouTube. No, like visual.
So we got one down and 11 more to go.
That's the only thing you had to change over, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hell yeah, brother.